Let's go to Liz Lamb back over at Pitt and Frank Attorneys LLC. Ted and Jan, Liz, are planning to sell their home in Louisville and move out of town. In this email, they tell me that, and by the way, you can email me, bob@wesellouisville.com with your question. Just put radio question in the subject line and put the question in the body of the email. So they say, Ted and Jen, the basement flooded in 2015 because of a sewer drain backup caused, they say, by MSD. I've heard this before. Never got a return call after they called MSD, and Ted and Jan had to clean the basement themselves, and I won't go into the details of what was down there. It was not good. So they're wondering, now again, we're looking 10 years later, so Liz, do they have a claim against MSD? How do they proceed?
I mean, generally speaking, it's not likely because with claims, there's usually what's called a statute of limitations. So there's a time frame in which you can bring your claim against particular entities, and it varies based on the claim as well as who you're bringing it against. So for something like this, it may be beyond the statute of limitations, but certainly it's not beyond your need to disclose that on your sales disclosure. So whenever you are going to list your home, it's very, very important that you do disclose something like that. Even if it wasn't your fault or an act of God, certainly you would want to disclose that for record-keeping purposes for any potential new home buyers as well.
Yeah, if you think MSD didn't call you back when you had the problem, I got a feeling they're not calling you back 10 years later to say, oh, yeah, we'll help get rid of some of the cost on that you incurred. Yeah, I think you're right on that. But be aware, disclose. A reminder, we have a free no obligation booklet that will come to you free of charge. It tells you 150, 250 tips about how to help you prepare your home for selling. It's easy to get it. Send me an email, bob@wesellouisville.com, and then put selling tips in the subject line, and I'll send it back out to you. And while we're talking about that, Brad and Home Team Inspection have their own booklet on what to expect from a home inspection. And if you'd like that, simple, same thing. Send me an email, bob@wesellouisville.com, say home inspection tips, and then send it to me, and I'll send you the booklet in a link right back to you. So it's all via email and very quick and easy.